August 1st, 2014. It's time for VEDA again. Here we go. Little swallow baby. That be the sounds of summer. It's Friday. I want my drinks. Or is it? There it is. Green apple chuhai. Ooh, it's strong. So I have to make a video for the next 31 days. That's gonna be fun. I mean, it is summer vacation time, although I have work most of this month, but there'll be some fun times happening during my one short week of vacation, I guess. So, I don't know. I just saw some lightning in the sky. I'm gonna try and see if I can actually capture it. It's not fun waiting for lightning. Snooze. I see some flashing in the distance. Oh man, did you see that? Did you see that? It be rumbling. Rumble, rumble. I are home only. Shish. Alright, here goes. Oh yeah. Look guys, rare footage of me wearing my broken glasses and my hair blowing in my fan. But anyways, cheers. It's alright, I guess. Green apple, strong chuhai. I completely forgot about VEDA until like an hour ago. I was like, right, it's August. There's that thing called VEDA. And hopefully this year I can actually do it until August 31st. And not skip out on days like I did last year. But I think I'm gonna have more vlog buddies like I did this April, so we'll support each other and get through VEDA. And you guys who are watching too, leave comments, because I'd like hearing your voice in the video comments section. That counts as hearing your voice, right? Anyways, tomorrow will be fun. I have something planned for tomorrow evening, so look forward to that, I guess. Cheers once again. See you guys in tomorrow's VEDA. Good night.